Alright, let's look at the homework 5.3, 5.4, problem number 4. Alright, so we want to find the function f given the derivative and the point it passes through. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so since we have a derivative, so we want to find the antiderivative first. So we have f of x. Alright, so we take the antiderivative here. Right. Before we take the antiderivative, I'm going to rewrite this f prime. Right. So I'm going to do a long division. So you have x cubed minus 3x squared. And then I'm going to give a little bit of room because there's no x term, plus 2. Right. So I'm going to do a long division. Right, so divisor is the denominator, so you have x minus 2. Right, then we ask ourselves, okay, how many x's can we squeeze into x cubed? It'll be x squared. Right, so x squared times x gives you x cubed, which is exactly what we wanted. And x2 times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. Right, then go through the subtraction. Right, so x cubed minus x cubed is 0. Negative 3x cubed minus negative 2, so adding 2x cubed squared. So it's going to be negative x squared. Right, then there's nothing to bring down. Then we ask ourselves, how many x's can we squeeze into negative x squared? So that would be negative x. Right. So negative x times x is negative x squared. Right, negative x times negative 2 is positive 2x. Right, then do a subtraction. Right, then negative x squared minus negative x squared is 0. 0 minus 2x would be negative 2x. Right, then we can bring this positive 2 down. So we have plus 2 here, right? How many x's can we squeeze into negative 2x? So it's a negative 2. Right, so we have a negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. Right, then we do a subtraction. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Right, so we know that this is going to be equal to the quotient, which is x squared minus x minus 2. Right? Then you have a negative 2, so it's a minus 2 over, so that's the remainder. And the divisor is x minus 2. Right? With respect to x. So we just rewrote the integrand using long division. Right? Then we can find antiderivative here. Right? Antiderivative x squared would be x cubed over 3. And antiderivative of negative x is negative x squared over 2. Antiderivative of negative 2 is negative 2x. Then you have a negative 2, right? Antiderivative of 1 over x minus 2 is natural log of absolute value of x minus 2, right? Then you might have some constant c, right? So we have that. All right, so we're going to use this given, so this will give us, right, when x is 3, function value is negative 8, right? So we're going to use that. So f of 3, right? So you plug it in. So if you plug in 3, right? So 3 cubed is 27 divided by 3, so that's 9. And the 3 squared will be 9 over 2. And a negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And then if you plug in 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Natural log of 1 is 0. So this is going to be actually 0. And then you have a plus c. right? So this is going to be equal to, right, 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 is 6 over 2, and minus 9 over 2 would be negative 3 over 2 plus some constant c, right? And this is equal to negative 8, right? So if you want to find the c value, we just need to add 3 over 2, right? So if you add the 3 over 2 to negative 8, so negative 8 is 16 over 2, so it's going to be negative 13 over 2, right? So therefore, the complete formula for f of x is x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2 minus 2x minus 2 natural log of absolute value of x minus 2 minus 13 over 2. Right? So let's type it in. Alright, so what we got was x cubed over 3 minus x squared over 2 minus 2x minus 2 times natural log of absolute value of x minus 2. Right? Oh, actually, I have to put x minus 2 in there. And then absolute value sign. And then minus 13 over 2. Right? Let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.